Focus on Home, presented by the Home Builders Association of Greater Springfield and KY3.
I'm David Bixler with the Bixler Corporation. You can save as much as $20,000 of damage by picking up a $20 part for your fridge. Copper or plastic water hoses can deteriorate with time. Replacing it with a steel braided hose will help keep your kitchen safe from moisture damage. If you do have a disastrous leak, contact the professionals to clean it up safely and effectively.
For more great tips, keep watching Focus on Home.